Today we're going to be checking out the new Meta Coperni Ray-Ban glasses. Now, I've been putting this off for too long. They've been in the box, they want to come out. So today's the day. These are my original Skylar frame Ray-Ban Meta, and I'm going to wear these to unbox the new Ray-Ban Meta Coperni. Pretty meta, right? Okay, this is it. I'm so excited for this. Wow, these are the new Ray-Ban Meta limited edition Coperni glasses. I'm finally unboxing these. I was in the Bahamas and Grand Cayman giving a talk about AI and travel, actually. I was talking about these, so I haven't had a chance to open them. Now is the moment. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that sound. Limited edition, 1 of 3,600. Beautiful. I love the case even. Oh, and that's a really nice detail with the Coperni logo. And then we have it again. Oh, it feels beautiful. Okay, let's open them up. Nice. And I'm actually wearing the glasses right now to shoot the glasses. These are stunning. So you've got the Ray-Ban logo, and then you've got the beautiful Coperni logo. And they're a mirrored lens. And they're a little translucent as well, which is nice. You've got that logo again. Oh, these are beautiful. I can't wait to try these on. Let's try them on. Oh wow, I love these. I love these so much. They look fantastic. The mirrored lens is so chic. Oh, they're great. I'm so glad I finally unboxed these. They are so stunning. They're really, really very chic, very beautiful, and I love the fact that they are high-tech and high fashion. A brilliant collab between Ray-Ban Meta and Coperni from this year's Paris Fashion Week runway. And it's very intriguing because last year at Paris Fashion Week, Coperni had Humane on the runway, and Humane standpoint was that the future isn't on our faces. And here we have this stunning collab with Coperni and Ray-Ban Meta this year where the future is on our faces. So it's really exciting to see more and more luxury brands embracing tech and wearable tech, and I can't wait to see who will partner with Ray-Ban Meta next. Let me know in the comments who you would like to see partner with Ray-Ban Meta on the next pair of glasses. So here's what the frames look like on. Really nice mirrored finish again, and they're a knockout. They're perfect. I really, really love them. Wonderful collab with Coperni, just very smart collab. And now the technology in these is the exact same as the regular Ray-Ban Meta, but these are truly something special. I'm really happy to have a pair, limited edition, only 3,600 made, completely sold out. There are similar pairs, which I will link to, but again, these are just something really unique, and I can't wait to wear these outside in the world. For more on the future of tech and luxury, be sure to check out Immersive Luxury and me, AR Stories. I'm Helen Papagiannis, and I'll see you in the next one.